My name is Jennifer of Royal Guinevere, and in this video I will be showing you how to clean your wax warmer after each use. So we have our ceramic wax warmer already used here, as you can see, and it's already gone back to solid. Please note that the soy wax does not evaporate. As you can see, after it's cold, it goes back to its solid state. And this is good because it doesn't cause any spill. You can see that. No spill, no mess, and your fragrance is still there. So after 2-3 days of usage, it's advisable that you take off the old wax before burning a fresh wax. Okay, and I'm going to demonstrate how to clean this and take it back to its normal state. So all you need to do is get tea light candle and turn it on. Allow the wax to melt, going back to its liquid form. And all you simply do is get a tissue or get yourself a cotton wool, and we'll use that to dab that once it's a bit melted. And that is all about cleaning your wax warmers. And very importantly, I want to introduce you to our wax liner. This gorgeous piece allows you to easily have your burner in its clean state all through its use. How you simply use this, it is very durable, it's reusable. All you need to do is place your wax liner on your burner plate and then place your favorite fragrance melt in it. And the heat from the light will melt this, will melt the wax and also retain it in the wax liner instead of having it on your top plate. Now for the emphasis of this video, I have gone ahead to burn one and have it cold. So it's now cold in its solid state, and all you need to do is just pop it like so, and there you have it. There you have it. So if you can still perceive the fragrance even after use, if you can still perceive the fragrance, it means you can still try to use it some other time. But if you're able to perceive fragrance coming from this particular wax melt, you could just discard it and burn a fresh one. And there you have it, guys. That's how to use Royal Guinevere's soy wax melts and amazing wax warmer accessories. So to place your order today, give us a call, send us a direct message, send us an email, check us out on our website. All information is showing on the screen, and we will be hearing from you soon. To my next video, thank you.